This is the Nuknives small folding pocket knife. This is the Jade color. So you get this nice case. So you get the knife itself. An instruction guide. That's pretty much it. This is vacuum sealed. So the Jade color is like a transparent. So this is the knife itself. It's got a clip right here. It's got a spot right here where you can put a cord, and you can use beads if you want. This is what the knife looks like. Got a really nice grip on it. A nice blade. And it locks here. So all you gotta do is press that to the left. This would be a great gift for Father's Day, a birthday, a Christmas stocking stuffer, for those who love camping, fishing, hunting, that want a great looking knife.